Hey, Bubba. You playing in the sand? Hi, buddy. This is our little hideaway spot at Beach 69. Which is Wailea Bay, but anyway. We call it 69 because it's a 69-mile marker. And that's about it. You see we're in the trees. I'll go out and see the water. Sorry about that. We're just swimming. How's that for a beautiful coastline? And then there's Maui in the background. And of course my kids want to go in the spot where they're in the trees so they can hide. And it gives good shade too in there. What you doing, guys? What you doing? You playing in the sand? Careful there, little dude. You got it? What you doing, Bubba?
Look, I'm using the sand.
Hey, Billy.
Jack?
What's up?
It's going on like this.
What you doing? Is your butt crack out, Billy? You see your butt? You see your butt crack? Where's your butt?
My castle!
Oh, you built a castle?
Yeah.
And Etienne's gonna come and break it, isn't he? You guys will say bye-bye? Say bye, wave.
Bye.
Wave. Your Shaka?
Shaka.
Your kid Shaka, yeah.
Oh, I mean, you go off into the sand.
You gotta go wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay.